person that works really well on our team is someone who is detail-oriented. It's very important that the chambers that we're building are not only completely functional and that they work properly, but also that they look pristine. So those that build chambers in my department have to really have an eye for detail and make sure that the chambers look great when they go out to the customer.
My name is Sarah Mendez. I'm a brazier assembler at RiverSide Integrated Solutions. The main difference between chamber assembly and brazier assembly is the brazier assembler does about 25% of the portion of the build, but the chamber assembler can do basically everything else. I feel like the whole process is really neat to me, of like how you're building this whole thing, because there's a lot to do on those machines.
A lot of the technology companies that need to test their sensitive devices purchase our chambers, and I think that's pretty cool to see where some of these are going and some of the big names that are purchasing them. I've had many roles here. I've enjoyed all of them, but I've also liked the variety of things that I've been able to do. We do a lot of different things here, so I think a person has a lot of options, a lot of choices, a lot of diversity here with the products that we work on. You will have a pretty broad selection of things that you can choose from and find something that will interest you.